I tried to break it. And then we went to the fair. We like to go to the fair to see the artesanías that come from all over Mexico. This is the kind of thing that I like very much. I love these rings and all these wonderful wooden earrings. Hearts. I might come back and buy one of these hearts. And combs. Circular earrings and flutes. Oh, beautiful hardwood that I love.
Cóbano.
Este es guayabillón porcelana. Hay la pirámide es carnaval. La negra es ébano. Esta que está aquí o todo lo que venden.
Ebony.
Sí, así.
And here I am back in my studio again, working on the fall and the rise sculpture. Welcome back. This is Diane. I'm working on finishing these legs up to the point where they're all glued together, they're all attached. I'm putting paper paste into the inside. The idea is to reinforce the feet and the ankles so that they won't break. And I put a little bit of PVA glue in there first. When it all dried out, I came back and cut off those flanges on the outside. Of course, I had to make a little mess in the process. I'm painting on some PVA glue, sculpting again with PVA paste, filling the joints, sculpting up any area that I want to fill or make smooth until I like the way the legs look, until the legs are basically done, sculpted, finished. What I like to do is put pieces of craft paper on while the paper paste is a little bit wet, because then I can push the craft paper a little bit and make it really, really, really smooth. That's about how far I got this week. Emmy and I say thank you for joining us. We hope that you ask questions in the comments, and the all-knowing Emmy will respond to every single one.